Johnny Kiley's bank card. Imagine if that joke could talk. Fucking hell. Well, I signed up for a few OnlyFans subscriptions to your card there.
I thought you were getting me green.
Oh, that's all they had. Yeah, sure, you'll have to chat a bit of shit now anyway for another video, like.
Right?
Yeah.
Like what? Oh, yeah.
You may stop blocking the Baler for a start anyway. Jesus Christ almighty.
That's the first.
You're on here putting out 3 bays or they're blocking every time, like.
That's only the fucking 11 Baler. First time I have to block it.
Look on at this count.
Hopefully, yeah.
Well, boy!
How's your mother?
Filming.
Too much fuck-ups. What time did you...
If you'd stop blocking the Baler now, we're going well, innit?
She wouldn't give you much chance at all. She'd just get fucking blocked and she's nearly full of in that heavy stuff because it's pulling like carcass underneath the fucking tractor.
Tell me this now, why did you paint the fucking wheels in Lamborghini black? I'm not a fan.
Why?
I just don't like it.
Because... But sure, look at your fucking alloys in the van. They're black.
Yeah, but sure, that's not a fucking... that's different, like.
But sure, they need to be painted, so we just went...
Like, did you see a Lamborghini with black rims somewhere else and be like, that's nice? Or did you just...
It sets it off a bit because it's all fucking silver.
I don't know. We leave the viewers aside.
Oh, you bastard.
What happened to the mudguard anyway? Who pulled the mudguard off? Oh! Oh! I wasn't expecting that now.
He was making progress. I suppose he would make a bit too much progress.
Fuck. The 2 of them tractors I actually bought off Kelvale in Kilkenny, were they?
Yeah.
Second hand. A 150 Lamborghini, what's it on? A 180 Deutz with a loader.
180 TTV.
And we're sitting in a 6190 C-shift. What about that Baler? You bought that new last year, sure?
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
That's why he's second with them. I think they're have to get a lot softer since the first one.
Would you be going for... Well, sure, you can't even get a Welger now. Would it be a Massey or a fucking... what you call it, wouldn't it?
No interest.
What would you go for next time? McHale or Kuhn or...
I'd say a Kuhn.
Yeah, the Kuhn seem to be getting popular, right?
There's a couple lads happy there and they seem to be fairly happy with it.
Yeah. Come here, I've a good one for you now though. Wilson or Celtic?
Welger.
Because obviously you have one of each, like.
Welger is not saying why I didn't buy a second Celtic.
I suppose, yeah, you went for the Wilson. What's the difference, like why? What's the difference? What's different about them? What's...
Wilson's about 1.5 heavier. The tubular rings are square and they're made out of 5mm box.
Oh, you made shit of it.
And the rings on the Celtic are made out of tubular, and I think they're only about 3mm tubular. And she's after cracking a handy bit with the 2 front rings.
What about price? Is one dearer than the other? Are they kind of the same, or?
I think they're around the same.
But sure, look, Johnny, money is no object to you anyway, so there's all the one about that, like. To just fucking sign on the dotted line, like, no issues.
Stretch injection.
Stretch injection, yeah.
Like the steel in the Wilson, which is made to last, whereas I think in the last number of years, Celtic are after falling away a bit. I wouldn't buy any bigger than a 10 bale in there because we go into a lot of, what would you say,
But apparently, like, aren't 12 bale Wilson with the steer axle supposed to be able to go anywhere the 10 bale go? Would you believe that? Or like?
I think so, yeah, but I wouldn't go getting 12. They're about a foot higher.
Are they?
I know height would really make much of a difference.
Not massive, no. Now I remember when you bought that 180 with the loader and you said you were going to have that on the baler with the loader on it, so you could move a bale off the swart or you could fucking lift a bale up in the Celtic or whatever. Why didn't that transpire?
I didn't like it on the baler.
No? Why not?
I didn't really give myself enough of a chance to get into it.
So you just drove it a few times and you said, I don't like it, I want my 190 back.
Yeah, well, at least you use cruise control more. I know if I got used to it, I got used to it. Actually, it's enough with the baling and fucking or the moan and then going to draw it. That is after being wound up a bit. That's what I use on the mowers and because of the variable, you know, when you come into the headlands, you can slow down and speed up without pressing the clutch.
Oh yeah. I actually probably should have used the drone in this paddock because a baler baling inside in the field, 2 carriers and about 2 acres, like. There's barely room for the van in there, like.
Would you be a fan of the super singles on her, or would you rather the jewels that you sent me a picture of the other day?
Oh, fuck them jewels the other day, no, that was scandalous. But you're like, obviously, the proper flotation ones were too dear, were they? Well, them super singles are second hand, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But they're the flotation super singles.
Yeah. They're super duper singles.
I don't know, I thought them Ride Max were fucking about 800 a piece, like. But seemingly they're not. Because I tried to get that Wilson with steel banded wheels on it, but that's all it had on it. We had to order it again.
Wish look on it, the lab at 4,000 going on the road. Big restoration on there now. Whoever he is.
You don't know how handy you have it driving the lorries.
What do you want about, like?
Clean all the time.
I'll be getting rotten every day, and we have to work all year round. You only do 3 weeks in the summer and then sit home for the rest of the year, like.
You're still working every day in winter. Don't be idle at all. Half day Saturday.
Yeah, or just off Saturday. Half day every second Saturday.
I heard you seem to get to hand your number right off a Saturday, like.
Not really, no. I did this Saturday, alright. Well, I don't know where Aaron was, but I presume he was further away than me anyway.
He had to go up to Cork way.
Yeah, sure, he was only as far / more, like, so. I must have a go at a fucking Wilson. I don't know if they ever used a Wilson. I never used Celtic, I'd say.
Celtic is easier to.
Is it?
Yeah, it's faster.
I'd know, I'll nab Hodge when he comes back now. Take it off. Because I'm fucking sick of looking at you now. You're shit crack anyway. We should have a time trial. No, actually, I haven't used a carrier in years, so you'd have the advantage. See, we have a dilemma now, because I obviously need to put the GoPro on the window, but at the same time, I'd love to have the window open for the sound, like. Oh. She's nice, lad. I don't like that gear stick now, right? We'll give this crack a go anyway. Jeez, I can barely reach the pedal. What gear did we film in? Third or second? Third. Yeah. Challenge accepted. What's beeping now?
Handbrake, is this not the indicator? Indicator. fucking freak of a thing.
What spoons are we fucking on now?
Joystick. Forward is down to your right hand side, and left is down on your left hand side.
Is there a fucking button to unlock them?
No.
Oh. Some sound after that. Dirty bastard.
What's the time to beat? So 20 minutes, is it?
I'd say going with the good looks, but I'd say that back bail won't do now at all.
Here, I'll drive on.
No, we're in. She is the rod, lad. Stop that there. Fucking I have to take for a spin down the road, lad.
Do, walk away.
I must lock the van.
Worst put in here, but now. Come on, there now.
Keep our gears, lads.
Yeah, man.
I got the rug there and all last when I was there.
You're lucky to come out of it, I'd say.
Oh, lads. Go on, you puncher.
On blown, Come to the air now, it's tight as fuck.
Is it in here, yeah?
Yeah. Right.
I don't know, hope for the best. I don't know what the tail swing is like now, but you're focused.
Drive on now.